Hello, good evening, all of you. Good evening, all of you. Hello, everyone. If you have any queries, you can ask me right now. Tituraj, you are there. You want to ask me anything? Yes, please. You can continue your questions. You can ask me if you have any kind of problem. Scanner class, actually, it is used in Java whenever we take the value from the user. Different types of input value, whenever we will take from the user, we use the scanner class. And it is a class where we have some functions that how to accept a word, how to accept a sentence, how to accept integer number, float number, double number, this character, different types of value from the keyboard. Whenever user writes that one from the keyboard, and it will go inside the computer using the Java. So we use this scanner class because using the scanner class we can show some messages for the user that what to give. Suppose you want to give your name, so using the message enter your name. Using the scanner class, that time we can accept the name. Next, using the name only one word, we can use the next. Multiple words, we can use the next line. Okay, so scanner class, if you write the code, means if you use a scanner class in your program, top of the program you have to write import java.util.scanner. Scanner is capital, after that semicolon. So this is just before starting of the program, you have to write this. Then within public static void main, within the main function, again you have to write scanner, any object name xyz, anything you write, scanner, suppose x equal to new, new in lowercase, space scanner, within bracket you will write system.in. So system is capital, scanner is capital. So this one you have to write to accept a value from the user. So whenever you will write this one, if you declare like this, what I told you right now, scanner x equal to new scanner, within bracket, means first bracket you write system.in, after closing the bracket semicolon. Then in next line you can write system.out.println, enter an integer number. So this statement, after showing this statement, next line you can write, suppose int n equal to the variable which one you have taken for the scanner class x. So x dot next int bracket close, means open and close parenthesis semicolon, and present a key. That means you are writing this code means you are accepting a value from the user using the scanner class. This is the way. So whenever I'll be means definitely a live class for actually class 9, I'll show you this one on the board. Not today, maybe within 1 2 days I'll give you this live class for you all. Okay, so this scanner class I will tell you in details. You can attain the class, you can understand. Otherwise, you can see in my channel, PS Block 25 for class 9. Listen, in commerce, computer application means it is not computer application, it is computer science. It is computer science. In 11 and 12, whatever the ICSE and CBSE syllabus, actually they are following computer science. So the science students, whatever the topics they're studying, the same thing you have to study. Means computer science, whatever the syllabus for council syllabus for 11 and 12, and same syllabus. If you take commerce also or arts also, same syllabus is there. Okay, so you can study with the commerce, no problem is there. Later on you can, after means class 12, you can go for that further computer study. Okay, so there is no problem. Yes, Shanko, hello, good evening. Pitraj, if you have any kind of problem, definitely will ask me. Feel free to ask me, no problem is there. Okay, Pitraj. Right now, I can't give you that one. That you will come to know that one, Tituraj, by your friend's name. Whoever your friend, those who are coming over there, then you can discuss with them. Okay. Sonko, now I am not teaching anything specially, means any special topic. Whatever you will ask me, I will give you the answer according to your class. Okay. No problem will be there. Feel free to ask me the question. You can ask me a lot of questions. You can share your this link to others, to your friends to join right now. I will give you a lot of questions, queries, whatever you have. Please, you can ask. Listen, in class 9, the lot of things are there. First main topic is that the values and data type. That chapter you have to read it properly. Then the operators chapters you will read properly. Means you have to understand it properly. Then the scanner class, user input. Okay, then I think the mathematical functions are there. We have to study it properly. And listen, all of you, definitely I'll be on maybe 2 times in a day. So the first evening, maybe 6 p.m. or 5:45 p.m., maybe 6 p.m. You can join for class 9. That the students, maybe the 2 days I'll be there for class 9, especially for class 9. So you can join that time. Okay, you can get a lot of questions. Hello, any other questions from you all? Yes, class 10, Wednesday, 5:45 to 6 p.m. I'll take the class. So in YouTube, you can follow that class also. Also Saturday, I'll take the another class, and that will be 7 p.m. I'll give you the routine. You can follow according to that. I'll share very soon the routine. You can follow that. The live class you can follow over there. You can ask whatever the queries you will have. You can ask me. I'll give you the answer. Hello, everyone. Hello. Hello. Yes, implicit and explicit casting. Implicit and explicit casting is very, very important in computer, in Java section, in any programming language. We need the implicit and explicit casting it properly. We have to clear your concept. Implicit casting means which one computer by default convert from one data type to other data type. And implicit means you know the data types, the different size. Okay, suppose the byte, 1 byte. The size, byte size is 1 byte. Short, it is 2 bytes. INT, 4 bytes. Long, 8 bytes. So these are the different data types. Suppose float, 4 bytes. Float means fractional value where we can keep the data type fractional. And double means 8 bytes. Suppose whenever you are converting float to double, automatically it will be converted. Means one data type to other data type, it will be converted automatically. This is called implicit casting. Float data type. Suppose you have written a float value in a variable and double, suppose x equal to that float variable. So this situation computer will not ask you anything. It will be converted automatically. But if you make it reverse, if you write float x equal to the double data type, means the double data type means a variable double type. Okay, suppose float x equal to y, and y is a double type variable. Y you already have taken as a double type. If you compile this code, what will happen? Computer will give you possible loss of precision. It will give you possible loss of precision. That means computer by default it will not convert because computer will not compromise with the data. It will not discard the data. So it will ask you first, the programmer, that if you want to discard this, then you write typecasting. A process is there. So before the double type variable, you write float. Means the variable double you have to convert into float, then it will be stored into a float variable. Means double type value will be converted into lower type, then it will be passed into a float type variable. So that will be converted, means you have to interfere that matter. Means without interference, computer will not process that. It will show you possible loss of precision. I will show you this, all these things in details later on. Now verbally I'm telling you, it's difficult for you to understand verbally. Definitely I will show you these things on the board, then this will be very much clear. So whenever I'll be on live class for YouTube, definitely you will ask me this type of questions, I will show you on the board. Okay, right now it is not I have not very much prepared for this to show you on the board, because it's there is a problem, the light reflecting. So on the board we can't. I'll give you another class or a lot of classes like this, then you will understand it properly on the board whenever I'll explain it, as well as I'll show you in the computer. Yes, any more questions are there? Now, can you understand a little bit, Shankho? I have explained, but can you understand a little bit? Shomit from Uitagni. Hello, Uitagni, you have any problem? Definitely you can ask me some problem if you have really, if you are facing some problem. Okay. uh, Implicit casting and explicit casting, just I'm telling you once again. Suppose once again I'm telling you, float x equal to 2.5. If you have the computer, you write the code, you can understand. Float x equal to 2.5, put a comma. Then you see, whenever you will compile this code, only this line, if you write within public static void main, if you write this single line, class, suppose the program you are writing, class test1 curly bracket, then public static void main, you write there float x equal to 2.5 semicolon, then curly bracket close, means this program a single line. If you compile, computer will give you. There is a problem. What problem? Possible loss of precision. That means this is called, uh, we need here to explicit casting. We need here to use explicit casting. And explicit casting means, so before 2.5, you have to write within bracket float. Then it will work. And that is called explicit casting. Listen, Babu, this anagram program is right now you are learning in the basic stage. So I'm not showing you right now. Anagram is a little bit critical for you. First, you clear your concept, the basic program. Anagram program is not in your actual, right at this moment is class 10 syllabus. Okay. So it will be a little bit difficult program for you all. First, you try to understand about the basic one, like the reverse program, like the palindrome program, like that word count, vowel count, consonant counts, like the number of blank space count, uppercase, lowercase, all this. Okay. Anagram program I'll show you. Right now it's not possible. I told you I'm not doing the board work. If I tell you verbally, you will not understand. That's a difficult program for you all, not for in class actually 9 and 10 level. Okay, it's a little bit critical problem for you all. I'll explain that one on the board whenever I'll be another live class next time. I'll show you that. Hello, yes, hi. Any more queries you have? You can ask me if you have any kind of queries. Please tell your friends to join. They can ask me some questions. No problem is there. No school is there. Tomorrow is holiday. You got the notice. Why are you asking? Hello, everyone. This is P. Santra. Once again, I'm live for you all. You can ask me the questions regarding the computer related which class you are. As per your class, you can ask me the question if you have the computer. Yes, it's Easter Monday. Yes, it's Easter Monday. Hello, hello. Yes, you can ask me the questions if you have. Hello, everyone. You can ask me some questions if you have. Okay, thank you, Indrosis. Tomorrow is holiday. You can take rest today. So you can ask me your questions as per your choice, but related to computer, try to understand. Hello, everyone. Hello. Ternary operator is an important topic in Java. Ternary operator. Ternary operator is actually we are replacing that if else. Whenever we have to replace that, means if you want to replace the if else, we can use the ternary operator. The ternary operator, you will see that the question mark with colon will come. Means the two variables, how you compare using if else. If suppose x a value is given 5 and y a value is given 7, if you compare, how you will write the code? If x greater than y, then you will do some work, else you will do some other work. This one you can replace with this one, you can replace with ternary operator. How you can do? X greater than y, question mark. You do something, if it is true, colon, you do, that is the else part. Means colon, before the colon, it is true part, after the colon, it is false part. Means what you perform for if else. If the condition is true, so within if that if the condition is true, you do the very next to if the code what is written, else if it is false, you do the remaining part. You have seen that I I typed very fast. I'm typing very fast. I know that Shomit Somi's Ohitagni is using his father's, I think, ID, and he doesn't have any special ID for himself. Okay, and this is yes, the typing you can do also, but if you do practice for a long time, not that within 1 or 2 months like this, you have to do practice at least 1 to 2 years first. At least 1 to 2 years only you can learn. Otherwise, it's not possible. Within 1 month or 2 months, something like this, if you do, and seeing that it's not possible. And generally, the typing can be fast. If you don't see the keyboard, then you can do. If you see the keyboard, you can't type it fast. You have to type fast without seeing the keyboard. Generally, whenever I type the thing, I don't see the keyboard. If I see the keyboard, I'll be slow. And generally, this is not the system. You have to see some contents from other side, and you that time you can't see the keyboard, so you have to type in that way. Yeah, wait, Agni. You don't have any queries, Agni. Whatever you are learning, you don't have any queries. You are joining just for fun or what? You can ask me. Okay, I'll see next day. I'll see your typing, that how much you are fast. With Agni, I'll check it. Next day you will type. Okay, okay. I'll not type. You will type. Definitely, I have some experience. Whenever you will come to my age, I think you will be better than me. So, but definitely, if you are my student, definitely you will follow my tricks, how and what and which way I'm using. Definitely, you can learn. And whatever I'm telling you, you do practice according to it, you can do it. You can type fast in mobile phone. Nowadays, you don't have to type even if your pronunciation is properly. You can do that means you don't have to type even in mobile phone direct you can write. Okay, but sometime if your pronunciation is not good, then definitely there will be some mistake. Indra says, I think you should take the computer. Why you have left the computer, I don't understand. You should take the computer. Official apps, I think April, mid of the April, I think you will get. Mid of the April, I think you will get that applications. I'm not sure about that, but maybe something like this. Oh, you are watching this RCB and CSK. Generally, I don't see that IPL, but I see that only the cricket for the national team. Okay, not for this all this IPL. Okay, but now the young generation they loves very much this IPL, RCB, CSK, all this KKR. That's who are the fans of the in different players. Definitely you can see, but I don't have sufficient time to see all these things. If I see that one, who will do the computer? Babu? What play games? What games you want to ask me? I know all these games, Babu. I this football, cricket, and the volleyball, everything I was fine. But now I'm very much aged. At this age, generally, I can't go and play this. There is a problem. Okay, I don't support any cricket means IPL team, but whenever we are staying in Kolkata, definitely I have to support for KKR, Calcutta, Kolkata Knight Riders. Whoever it is, I'm staying in Kolkata. Generally, I support for the KKR. I wanted to see the IPL match for on 19th April, but there is a problem in our schedule, so we are not going. Indus is near about 57 right at this moment, so you can understand. You have seen that Sonko. You have seen my shorts in that I'm playing football. Okay. Oh, I'll show you some programs. You can do practice like prime number, palindrome number, perfect number. I will show all these things. Definitely, I'm telling every day, but I'm not getting the scope to show you. But definitely within 2 3 days, I'll try to show you because now I'm in very under pressure because we are going for some special important work till 15. So this time I'll be very much busy. So I'm not getting sufficient time to manage this live class. Yet I'm trying, but after 15, definitely whatever the queries you have, I go instant. I can give you on time. Okay, but you have to cooperate for the few days. So please cooperate. So definitely I'll give you the problems. A lot of I'll discuss a lot of problems. So just for the time being, I'm telling you, you do practice prime number program, perfect number program, Armstrong number program. Which one I'll show you in my class. Don't worry, everything I'll show you in my class. But you're telling real life, I play GTA with belt. Okay, that I can't. Your channel is Viva my son. I'm not sure what's your name. What's your name, Babu? Sir, only tell the topics of program which can come in Unit 1. I'll tell you that that possibilities of their programs in unit. Unit means these are the programs you can do practice. Prime number program, perfect number program, Armstrong number program, and that digit extraction. Suppose sum of digits, product of digits, round number of digits, checking a digit is present in the number or not, something like this. These are the programs you can do practice. Then the series, Fibonacci series, Fibonacci series, these are the things you can do practice. Which one? Unit test, you will not get that nested loop program. It's a normal simple loops problem. You do practice, listen. First, you try to understand the problem. Don't go for the learn. Okay, learning basis is not possible. You have to clear your logic. If you clear your logic, definitely you can understand any program. First, you clear your concept. The concept is very, very important for the programming. If you can clear your concept, suppose how to extract digit from a number. I'll show you the extraction of digit in very simple way. You will follow my class, definitely you can understand it. Oh, I'm not taking your class. No problem. There's some other teachers are taking the class. All the teachers are good. Don't worry. Okay. So, any more questions you have, you can ask me. It's very much. I'm very much grateful that you are joining. You are asking me the questions. I'm very happy that you are joining. Whatever it is, how many are there? No problem is there. I'll be on for you all. Whenever I'll be free, I'll be on for you all. Today little bit free. I'm this is today's Sunday. I got a little bit relief that that is the reason I'm here today. I'll give you a lot of offline classes, means some classes in YouTube. Later on you can see that. Okay, so you can follow my channel. You tell your friends to follow my channel. Okay, class wise I have uploaded a lot of classes for 9 and 10. Okay, so please you follow my channel. It will be clear whenever you are free. Don't waste your time. You can follow my channel. You are PS. Who is PS? What's your full name, Babu? PS. What's your full name, Babu? Priyo. Who is Priyo? Hello everyone. Yes, you can ask me. Tell your friends to join if they are free. My favorite footballer is Messi. Previously, it was Maradona, and now it is Messi. Yes, hello. You have any other questions? I told you to ask me about the computer related question, but now you are asking something different. Okay, you try to ask me computer related questions. Ronaldo. Ronaldo, I have seen his match. It's fine. Very good. It's an international player. It's a very good player. Don't compare with others. One players they have the different skill, so don't compare with others. Messi is something different. Ronaldo is something different. Do not compare with others. Like you don't compare with me. In the sense, you are a student, I'm teacher, and you are very much expert in GTA games, but I'm not expert in GTA games. and expert in real life game. That what you told right now. Okay, real life. So Meet, sorry, Aitagni, I'll show you the real life ghost in my class. You will come, I'll show you the ghost in real life. Yes, thank you. If I don't use the real life, that what I say that GTA game, the problem is there that students will dance on my head. So I have to control that. Otherwise, you will not. Any teacher, if he feels that the students are disturbing in the class, and that moment if he teaches, so it's not possible for to the students that they will understand. So be careful first. So first you have to uh, make it disciplined properly, then we should teach in the class. IPL is what you are telling, Babu. Yes, anything else? Again today maybe I'll be on for another hour because I don't have sufficient work today. I am very much relaxed today, so I will take another class. Maybe 10 o'clock I'll be on once again, 10 to 11, maybe 10:30 or maybe 11, something like this. I'll try. So after this is now the time is 8:13. So after a few moments, after 20 minutes, I'll be off. After that, again, I'll be on for another 1 hour later on. What live coming tomorrow afternoon? Tomorrow afternoon it's not possible live classes because tomorrow I'll be very much busy till 4 o'clock. After that, 5:30 I will have the class till 8. Then if I get time tomorrow I'll see. Tomorrow I will have the hectic schedule, so there is a problem. So today, if you have the queries, you can come after this class. Again, I'll be on for another 1 hour. So that time you can prepare your questions. That time you come with your questions. I'll show you that. You can reference book. I can what the book you are following right now. I don't know. So definitely a lot of good books are there in the market. That is, you can follow that the books which one it is given in the book, as well as that there's some other books in the market right now. I should not tell you that names in my online class, but the thing is you can understand that a lot of books are in the market. Um, you can choose. Yes, it's not bad. It's not bad. You can use. Hello everyone. You can ask me any other questions if you have. Okay, bye. You can go now. I'll be sitting for another 20 minutes. So if you are interested, you can join anytime. Thank you very much now. PS, you go now. Later on, you join my class. For the time being, I'll be sitting for another 20 minutes. So whatever you have the questions, you can ask me right now. Hello, everyone. Not 20 hours, Babu. It's 20 minutes by mistake. I told you that 20 hours. Yes. Anything else you want to ask me? Hello. Thank you very much that you are appreciating my class. I'm very much grateful that you are appreciating my class. Uh, Definitely. And another question has come, that is, sir, what is switch? In Java, you see that it is a class 9 set this topic. So switch means whenever we have some menu driven program. Menu driven program means you can understand, that is, a menu will come as per your menu. Suppose press 1 for addition, two numbers you are giving in computer, and that two numbers you want to process two three things. Loop, definitely I'll explain. Wait 1 minute. Let me tell you that the switch. Suppose that switch, a menu you make, press 1 for add, press 2 for product, press 3 for average, suppose. So this means this menu is showing the three activities. So using the switch, you can select any one. The switch will help you to select out of the three any one. So if you press one, the number one will be activate, and it will show you the result of number one, not all three. The switch will control in this way. So the switch, if you apply the switch, this will help you. So the lot of works are there you already have done in the program, but which one you want to select, only that portion will be activated in the memory, and it will show you that activity's result. Is it clear? This is called switch. And sir, can you also explain loop? Definitely, I'll show you the loop, but I don't know that which class you are. So if you are in class 9, you have in the syllabus the two things, that is normal loop, that single loop, then another is the nested loop. Single loop, there is a three types of loops are there in Java: for loop, while loop, and do while loop. Three loops are there. Thank you very much. Thank you, Rasni. You you have joined my class. Thank you very much. I'm very much grateful that you are joining my class. You are my excellent student, one of the excellent student in my previous time. So thank you very much. Definitely, I'll be on for everyone. So anytime you can join and see my class. Thank you, sorry, Roshni. Anybody else? You have any other class? Okay, so I was explaining about the switch. So that is a switch case, means activities, that whenever you have the lot of works to do, but the selective work you want to show the result, so you can use the switch. Alternatively, we can use the if else if, that way also we can solve. So switch case and if else, that the similar way we can do. Only the switch can be used integer and character data type, and if else we can use any primitive data type. Hello everyone, if you have any kind of queries, you can ask me, all of you. Any more queries you have? Hello. Hello, everyone. If you have any more queries, you can ask me right now. I'm ready to give you the answer. Again, I'll be on for another 1 hour after a little bit later on. So definitely you can come and join in my class. Hello, everyone. Listen, initially I was uh, giving that the different types of the tour videos. So that's why I have given. But later on, I have given a lot of that computer related the topics that videos uploaded. That's why I have not changed the my channel name. It is given as PS Blog 25. It's 25 2025. I have started the blog channel, so I can give you a lot of things. Not only that educational related, but some other things I'm giving also in this channel. That's why I've given the channel name in this way. Yes, in this is I was missing your when you are in class 8. That time I used to take the classes for you all, and you had a very good batch. So a lot of students were there. Now all they are scattered. So only you are in my class, maybe, and maybe one or two more. Not all the students are there. So you are my very good fan, and you are my top fan. You are supporting me every time, and you are joining my class and asking me a lot of questions. I'm very much happy for that. Any more questions? Hello, everyone. Any more questions? So another 10 minutes, I'll be sitting for you all. So if you want to ask me any questions, you can ask me right now. So after that, again, I'll be on for another 1 hour. So you can join. You can again join in that. You can be. You can prepare your questions. You can ask me over there. Hello. Hello, what is increment and decrement operators? Increment and decrement operators are these two are important operators in Java. Increment and decrement operators. Suppose a variable you are writing, it is an unary operator. It is unary operator. So a variable, suppose x plus plus you have written. If the value of x is 5, suppose initial value x equal to 5, and the variable you have given x plus plus, it means that x present value is 5, and plus plus means it will be increasing by 1 if that the same variable is present in your expression once again. So it means in memory it is updated by 1. X plus plus or any variables with x plus plus or y plus plus or anything something like this, if you are writing, it is called increment operator. Post increment and post increment and pre increment is two different. Pre increment means instant change. Post increment means change after using the x value in present time. Suppose you are writing a code x plus 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 means after x 3 plus then x. So what will happen this for? This will give you, if x equal to 5 and you are writing the code x triple plus and x. So the first two pluses will go with the first variable means x, and then there will be another plus, then x. So this time we will see the result will come. The first x, the value will be 5, and the next x, the value will be 6. So this is the difference, the increment. Okay. So the result will come 11. Yes. Hello everyone. Any other questions? I'm live for you all. Please, you can ask me any questions related to computer. Hello everyone. Yes. Number of primitive data types, it is 6 types. Sorry, it's 8 types. Total 8 types. That 6 number related and 2 non-numeric. 6 number related means 4 integer type, 2 real type, and 2 non-numeric type. Yes, Pranjal. Yes, Pranjal. I'm fine. How are you? You have any queries, you can ask me. And tell your friends to join right now. I'll be on for another 5 minutes, 4 5 minutes. Then again, I will come. Again, I'll come another 1 or 2 hours later. I'll be live another 1 hour for the junior and senior classes both. I'll show you the live classes. Means I'll explain in details in computer as well as on the board. You will follow my class next time. Okay, you can understand a lot of things over there. So please do not miss my classes. Hello everyone. Pranjal, if you have any kind of problem, you can ask me. What you have taken, computer or anything else? Hello everyone. You can ask me the questions, whatever you have right now. Okay, thank you very much. I'll be switching off now. I'll be offline now within 1 or 2 minutes. If you have the last any questions, you can ask me right now. Okay, then I'm leaving this live class. So you must do practice, all of you. The whatever I have explained today, definitely I'll explain more. How I'm explaining today, I think I'll explain in better way in my next class, because that time I'll use the board to explain the problem. So as per my schedule, if you are interested, you can join. Okay, thank you very much. Up to this much is my class today. Bye all of you. Okay.